Alright, today I'm going to do a quick video on this maintenance required reset. This is a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Pretty straightforward. This usually comes up when you are overdue on your oil changes. So the way it works is you come over here in the steering wheel and you press the back button. You're going to go over here to the main screen and you just got to keep scrolling until you get to the settings. Right here, it's the last one. And then you keep scrolling down, keep going, a couple of pages. You're going to get the driver info pop-up display, and there you go. On the third page, it's called scheduled maintenance. Hit the OK button. You're going to see right there, reset data, yes or no. In my case, I'm going to click yes. Data has been reset. And now when you go back and you restart the car, you're not going to get that message any longer. Let me show you. Turn the car off.
Wi-Fi is off.
Turn the car back on. Welcome back. No more maintenance required.